We're here at the HSC Orientation Retreat, which is designed to introduce the new Year 12 students to their HSC journey. We've got workshops and lectures, and the idea is to give students the tools that they're going to need to get through their HSC year and to make informed decisions as young adults about what's going to work for them.
I've been really looking forward to this hour. No school will rise above its senior year, and now it's yours. The whole school belongs to you. You will set the tone. You will set the pace. And I can't wait to stand back in awe and wonder and watch you do that.